Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to adjust general settings in Hyper-V. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To adjust Hyper-V settings, which apply to the entire Hyper-V environment rather than individual virtual machines, follow these steps. Launch the Hyper-V Manager application on your computer. In the right-hand pane, click on Hyper-V settings under the host machine's name. You'll see several sections on the left-hand side. Here's what you can customize. Virtual hard disks. Set the default folder where virtual hard disk files are stored. Virtual machines. Specify the default folder for storing virtual machine configuration files. NUMA spanning. Enable or disable NUMA spanning for virtual machines. Storage migrations. Configure preferences for migrating virtual machine storage. Enhanced session mode policy. Control whether enhanced session mode is allowed for all virtual machines on the host. Keyboard. Adjust how keyboard shortcuts are handled when working with virtual machines. Mouse release key. Set the key combination used to release the mouse from a virtual machine. Enhanced session mode. Enable or disable the use of enhanced session mode when connecting to virtual machines. Reset checkboxes. Reset all checkboxes to their default values. Once you've made your adjustments, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. These settings allow you to customize how Hyper-V operates on your host system, helping you optimize its functionality and performance. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.